Hello guys, this is Karimale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to make a GIF banner or animated banner in Photoshop. But we also need Adobe Illustrator to make some design. So what you have to do is to switch back both softwares and then let's get started. I will start by creating my artboard, which will be on 1200 pixels on width and 200 on the height. I will leave it as one artboard and then go ahead and create my artboard. We have our artboard here. We go here and copy this logo by pressing Ctrl or Command C and paste it here because you will need it. I'm going also to drag some images in Adobe Illustrator, which are these ones. And I have them here. We also need a text. Here we have all these ones. As you can see, they are more culture, and we need this text. I press T and then paste them here. We are going to use Artboard font. The font we are going to use is Artboard, and I've increased my size to something like 21 for now. And I'm going to embed these photos, right? These images. I'm going to press this button so that I can embed them. I will start by making a nice look and feel of this banner. We are going to use my logo, as you can see. Let me press M to create a simple background here. Can go ahead and duplicate my logo so I can change some colors in order to make them visible on this background. So I can go ahead and press Ctrl or Command G, which will look like this. Yep. And then let's create a small shape here, just to separate the logos from the images. I need to also increase my size and increase this one for the shape. Yeah. And I'm going to copy this text umuco nyarwanda. I'm going to paste them here. I'm going to paste them here. And we are going to add our image. I also need to decrease this logo, but I can leave the shape like this in order to leave some space of images. I'll start by creating a small shape here. Sorry for that. I drag this image and leave this here and press, I will select both image and shape, press make a creeping mask. Write this so I can increase my text here and I have to make sure I'm working on the 100% in order to check if my wording are visible. I need to increase this size a little bit. I press it here, like this. I'm going to choose this color, the dark blue, and I can go ahead and increase my text. We can go ahead and make this uppercases. I try to mix colors by selecting this text, so I can pick this one. And what you're going to do next, I'm going to create a small rounded rectangle here. We will decrease this size, and then I'll choose this color. Let's make it dark, really not visible, but here green can be visible. Like this. Let's use white, is more visible. And we are going to leave it as Kandahano. It's a simple banner that can appear on websites, or yeah, most of the time it's a website. It's a website format. How about this? This looks better. So I can go ahead and duplicate by holding Alt and Shift. I can duplicate my artboard like this. What you're going to do now, we are going to change this image from this one. So I can, how to do that is to press right click, reduce clipping mask, and then you can delete the back image, so you can pick any other color just to have your field of shape. I will select both image and shape so I can make a clipping mask. I need this zoomed in. You can find the printed artworks of all these paintings from here. Right. www.askarima.rw. You can get different sizes on different materials. You'll find the link in description, and make sure to do subscribe if you have not yet. We are running how to make a GIF in Photoshop, but we have started by creating a banner. Like, we are using Illustrator now, and I'm doing the same thing, duplicating, changing the image like this, make a clipping mask just like this. How about if we reflect this? I'll press right click and then reflect, so it can be like this. Okay, and I go ahead, duplicate, and I'm going to change this text from this to the English version, so we are trying to communicate on both sides. I will copy them, paste them here. type uppercases. I will go ahead and pick this font size, and then we can have this one here, get to know Rwandan. I can reduce the size, write this, and I'm going to press here to change the text to click here. Sorry for that, but it's very simple. You can go to type and then uppercases. I will duplicate this so we can keep the same language. Can go ahead and do some stuff. Yeah, we have it here. What I will do, I will press it here, but to be safe, let's release this and put this image behind the shape like this. Here we are, and I'm going to delete some text here in order to make a good animation. You will see the reason of this. You can use Illustrator when you're trying to create your banners, so you can drag and drop them or press them in Photoshop to make a GIF banner, an animated banner. I'm finalizing it. What you have to do is to click that red button and hit subscribe, like and comment right here. If you have anything to say, let me know in the comment. What I do now, I'll go ahead and save this project by going to File, PDF. I can go to my docs. We fast forward this and come back in a few. You can also go ahead and save this as images by going to File, Export as JPEG. You're going to choose the JPEG format. Then you have to make sure you checked Use Artboard. This small square here, you have to make sure it is checked. And then I can export my images to RGB and I leave them. Let's do maximum at 10. You make sure you have a high resolution images on 300. So I press OK. I think we have them, so they are here. What we do now, we are going to open our Photoshop. It's already opened. I'll go ahead and create my artboard by pressing right click on the main menu, and then it was 1200 to 200. The resolution, you can make 300 as a resolution, and then press create. What I do now, I'm going to drag these images in Photoshop like this, and I can go ahead and press enter to have all of them. We have them on this layer. What I do now, I go to window, and then check timeline. You have to press timeline, and we always have create frame animation and create video timeline. What you do, you create a frame animation and come here and press like an enter or click on it, and then you get this timeline window here. I can go ahead and create, in order to save time, you have to choose seconds before. So let's make it 2. Let's first see 2, and then I can duplicate T to 8. I will switch all the banners. So I can start with Kinyarwanda. We have them in the middle. And the first one is this. I'll start by this one. When you are creating a GIF, you have to first go, if it is a fast timeline, you have to click on it and then choose the banner or choose it from the layers. And we do the same thing. We go to the second timeline and then choose the second layer of the timeline, and then I can switch it back. We have I need this on the third one, and the fourth one I will need this, switch it back. Fifth one, yeah, let's first play this one and see how it goes. It's taking too long, so we can reduce the seconds to 0 point something, or let's make it 1. Let's make it 1. We have it here. Okay, by pressing on this, as you can see, they are switching each other. And then we need the same thing here. I'll leave it like this and then switch it by pressing the other one. So we have our GIF like this, and I continue with an English version. So let's first play this one. Yeah, they are switching, and as you can see, the image is moving. And I can go ahead and choose the English version. We'll start by this one, and then switch to this one. How many? 5 and 6. We're here, and then I can direct this, switch this back, direct this, sorry. I'll choose this because here we have this and this, and then we have this, switch this, we have this, and we're going to switch this, yeah, just like this, tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, tip. Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is how you animate your GIF banner by using both softwares, Illustrator and Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to do subscribe if you have not yet. Share this video to those who need to see how to make these kind of banners, because most of the time it is needed. We use them on different websites here in Rwanda, so this might help you. And you can go ahead and save your project by going to File, Export, Save for Web, and then you get this window. You make sure it is in GIF and then on the same size, and then the option, wrapping option, it's on forever, because as you can see here, it is now playing. You can go ahead and choose where to save it. We choose this, and then we are going to repress it just like this. So to make sure your banner is well animated, which is here, you can drag it and then put it inside Google. As you can see, my banner is well animated and I can use it anywhere. Hope you guys learned something. Make sure to do subscribe, share this video to those who want to run the rated thing. Thank you.